Hello guys, welcome back again. This is the fourth part of this video series, and in this video I'll be showing you how to record expenses with the PaperCloud app. So here in the app, I'm on the expenses section, and just like the invoice, there is a slide bar at the top, and this slide bar, at first glance, you can see how much expenses you've made in a particular month. It says this month, so it doesn't reflect how much expenses you've made this month. So now if I swipe, it's going to show you how much profit you've made this month. This is one slide bar I love very much because I can see, oh, I'm doing really good. Yeah, so right now we've not had any expenses, so all the cash that has been paid into my business from my clients is the same amount I have as my profit. So if I make any expenses, this is going to reduce while the expenses is going to increase. So yeah, let's start by creating an expense. So as usual, we click on the plus button at the bottom. I click there, and then you can write the title of the expense that you're making. Let's say I bought some sewing materials, and today's date is there, and let's say I spent about let's say about 5,000 naira buying sewing materials. And then you can go to your categories. So these categories is just like they thought about everything. They talked about advertising, car transportation, whichever, training, employee benefits, meals, entertainment, office expenses and postage, other expenses like bank fees, personal. So if you're even paying yourself, you can click go to personal and click on personal, or click on charity, professional services, branding. There's so much, rent, equipment, like so much, utilities, whatever you have to, whatever possible expenses you make on your business, they've covered every part of it. So sewing materials, I usually put office supplies. I click OK, so that will come under the category of office supplies, and then I can put the description of whatever I bought, maybe a list of the things I bought in the description bar here. So I can say, let's say threads, fabric, zips. You can also put the number, let's say 1 pack of threads, let's say 11 yards of fabric, 30 pieces of zips. Yeah, and then I click on save, and once I click on save, you can see it records it as sewing materials minus 5,000 naira, and under this month is 5,000 naira I took out of my total money, like it's recorded under expenses. So if I swipe, that's my cash profit. It has reduced from 51,000 to 46,000 naira. So another thing again is this, your expenses on this bar shows you for that particular month. If you want to check your expenses for other months, you can just click on the filter icon at the top and check whichever month you want to check. If you want to check for August, you can put the start date. You can put the start date for August, or yeah, August, let's say 1st, and you click on 3rd, click on done, start for August, and then end date you can put 31st of August and filter, and it's going to be 0 because you haven't your business didn't exist in August. So whichever expenses you made in August will reflect here. Also cash profit is 0. So I can go back to this month click on clear and it will bring me back to this particular month. So that is how you record expenses on your PaperCloud app. I hope you found this very helpful. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the search feature. See you then.